Okay, good morning to all. Today we have to see again two more sorting techniques, radix sort and bucket sort. Okay, the most simplest sorting technique. Okay, good morning. Definitely, these are the most simplest techniques as compared to previous. Okay, in the last lecture, what we have seen which sorting technique. We have seen which sorting technique. Okay, quick sort. We have gone through the concept of quick sort. Okay, first we will see a radix sort, then bucket sort. Okay, these are the most simplest techniques. Radix sort, uh, bucket sort. Okay, then first I will discuss those techniques and examples on those techniques within first half an hour. Then again I would like to revise the concept of the quick sort. Okay, radix sort, the most simplest technique. So I hope you all are audible to me. Is it so? Is it so? Are you getting my notepad window? Hello? Are you getting my notepad window? Okay, fine. Uh, Now I start. Okay, radix sort. What is algorithm? This is the algorithm. Okay. Uh, do the following for each digit I, where I varies from LSB, that is least significant bit, to MSB, that is most significant bit. Okay. uh, so what is first step? We do the following for each digit I, where I varies from LSB to MSB. What step we are going to follow each time? In each step we sort input array using any counting sort or stable sort. Okay, what do you mean by this? For example, okay, this is the example. Okay, this one be the example. Okay, so suppose this is the array which we have given: 22, 12, 3, 5, 17, and 90. Okay, uh, first we search uh, the number. Okay, which is, that is in this sort. Okay, we first do the following for each digit I, where I varies from LSB to MSB. We sort input array using any counting sort or stable sort. For example, suppose this is the array which we have given. Suppose there is 51. Okay, so in first step, in first step, we sort according to unit place. That is LS. I say we sort according to unit place. That is, unit place is nothing but it is LSB. Okay, and what happens? Okay, in first step, this is nothing but it is step one. In first step, what we have to do? We have to sort this array. We have to sort this array using LSB, that is unit place. This is nothing but this is this bit is the LSB, this bit is the LSB. Okay, so if you consider first number, what is least significant bit? 2. Again it is 2. Then 3, then 5, then 7, then 0, then 1. Okay, so we have to sort in the first step. We have to sort input array using LSB. That is, we have to sort input array using number at unit place. So first it becomes, first what comes, okay, 90, that is 0, that is first number is 90. Then we search for, is there any number LSB number which is 0? No. Then 1, okay, then it becomes 51, okay, then it becomes, okay, we search for first 0, that is 90. 90 comes first. Then we search for the number at LSB as 1. Is there anyone? Okay, there is 51. Next 2, that is, there are now two number who is having LSB as 2. So 22 comes first, so we write 22. Then 12, okay. Then next number is nothing but 3. There is number 3. I write it as 03. Okay. Next, then 4. There is no any number who is having LSB as 4. Then 5. S. I write it as 05. Okay. Then 6. No. Next number is 17. Okay. In step 2, now I sort according to tens place. Okay, now in step 2, we have to consider array which is generated in this step 1. And now here we sort according to number using tens place. And now tens place is nothing but this place. Okay, so uh, 03 comes first. Okay, then 05. Okay, then 17. Okay, sorry, uh, first 0305, then 12, then 17, okay, then 22, okay, then 51, then 90. So so this is nothing but final sorted array. It becomes 3, 5, 12, 17, 22, 51, and 90. So how many steps we require? We require number of steps as, suppose the maximum number is of 3 digit among the array, we require 3 steps. Suppose the maximum number is of 2 digit, we require 2 steps. Okay, suppose the number is of maximum number is of 3 digit. At that time, in step 1 we have to sort array according to unit place. In step 2 we sort according to tens place, and in third step we step according to hundred place, so on. This is the most simplest sorting technique. Are you getting me or no? Hello. हे बघा, पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय केलं आहे, सपोज हा आहे इनपुट अरे. ओके, सी, दिस इज द इनपुट अरे. तर इथं आपण पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय चेक करणार, की सुरुवातीला आपण चेक करणार की अरे मधला जो मॅक्सिमम नंबर आहे तो किती डिजिटचा आहे. आता मॅक्सिमम नंबर फॉर एक्झाम्पल 90, तो आहे 2 डिजिटचा. तर सगळे नंबर आपण 2 डिजिटचे करणार बाय ऍडिंग 0. ओके, जसं की 20, okay, जसं की this 22 it becomes as it is, 12 it becomes as it is, 3 becomes 03, 5 becomes 05, 17 becomes 17, 90 as it is, and 51. So once again I repeat, first I accept input array. First I accept input array. Okay, then I check the maximum number, that is the largest number in the given array. Suppose largest number is of 2 digit, then I make array each and every element of array up 2 digits. So it becomes 22, 12, 3 becomes 03, 5 becomes 05, 17, 90, 51 as it is. Now in step 1, we sort according to unit place. So this is the unit place 2, 2, then 3, then 5, okay, then 7, 0, and this is the 1. So in step 1, we sort according to unit place. So 90 comes first, okay, then 51. Now we are searching for 2. There is 2, there is 2. So 22 comes first. So we first write 22, then 12, then 3, then 5, then 17. Okay, in this way. So this is the array which is, so this is the output of step 1, in which we have sorted this input array using tens place. In step 2, what we have to do? We have to consider this array and we have to sort according to now tens place. So this is the tens place. 9, 5, 2, 1. So there is 0, 3. First we write 0, 3, then 0, 5, then 17, and so on. So finally we write output 0, 3 become 3, 5, 12, 17, 22, 51, 90. Are you getting me or no? Hello everyone. Are you getting me or not? Mahesh, Mahesh Kangude. One more example. Suppose one more example here I write. This is the example 22, 91, 57, 251, 54, 84, 2, and 90. So this is the input array. Suppose we have given. In this array, we first check the largest number. As we know, largest number is 251, which is of 3 digit. Therefore, we make every number of 3 digit, that is 22 become 022, 91 become 091, 57 becomes 057, 251 as it is, 251 as it is, 54 becomes 054, 84 becomes 084, 2 becomes 002, 90 becomes 090. Okay, again, now tell me how many steps we require to sort this entire array. How many steps we require? Please be fast. How many steps we require? 3 steps. In first step, we sort according to uh, unit place. In step 1, we sort according to unit place. Then in step 2, we sort according to tens place, and in last step we sort according to hundreds place. Okay, so here I write step 1. Okay, and here we sort as per unit place, that is what LSB. Okay. Mm, so what is the output? What is the output? So what is the output? I think this 90. It becomes 090. Uh, then next is nothing but it is what 090. Then 091. Okay. Then 251. Okay. And so on. Next 2, it becomes 022, 002. Okay. Next is nothing but 3. We are searching for 3 at LSB. No. 4. Yes, it is. 054. Okay. Then next is what? 054 and 057. Okay, how many numbers are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is remaining? Uh, okay, 054. There is one more 84. Okay, 054. After that, 084, and then um, 057. Okay, because when we write 54, 054, yes, it is 054. Again, there is 4, so 084, and then 057. Okay, then in uh, s- uh, in step 2, we sort as per what tens place. So now in step one in step two we have to consider this array, and what we have to consider this array, and okay, in step two we have to consider array which is generated in step one, and here we have to sort as per tens place. So which number comes first? I think it is uh, 002. Okay, so it becomes what? 002. Okay. Then next number is nothing but 022. Okay. Uh, then next one is nothing but okay, uh, 054, 084. Sorry, 054. After that we get 251. Okay. Uh, 002. Then next one is nothing but 022. Okay. Next one is nothing but yes, 251. Okay. Then 057. Okay. Next one is nothing but first 054, uh, 057, um, 084. Okay. 090 and 091. Okay. And in third step, okay, in third step, what we saw as per hundreds place, that is by using MSB. Okay, so it becomes 002, 022, then 054, 057, 084, 090, 091. Okay, next one is nothing but it is 251. Okay, and I hope this is the sorted array. Okay, so what is your final output? So your final output it becomes 2, 22, 54, 57. Okay, 84, 91, and 251. Is it okay for all? Hello. Is it okay for all? Siddesh Swami. I want a reply from Siddesh Swami immediately. Have you got the technique, Siddesh? Have you got the technique? No, I am not getting response from him. Next, next, Mansi Mane. Hello, Mansi. You can unmute yourself and you can just talk with me. Whether are you getting me or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next is nothing but next Sakshi. Sakshi, is it okay for you? Sakshi. Next Samina Mulani. Vaibhav says, please explain starting part. Okay, fine. Actually, there is nothing in this technique. Okay, Vaibhav, see what happens. Uh, this is the technique which is known as radix sort. Okay, this is the algorithm only. We do the following for each digit I, where I varies from least significant bit to most significant bit. Okay, that is here we are sorting uh, digit by digit. Okay, and what are the steps we are following? In each step we are sorting input array using any stable sort or counting sort. Okay, that is uh, here we have given input array. We first check the maximum number in the input array. Maximum number is supposed to 51. It is this is the maximum number. So we make every uh, in first step what happens, we accept input array, we check maximum number is 251. It is of 3 digit, therefore we make every number of 3 digit, just like 22 22 it becomes 0 22, 91 it becomes 0 91, and so on. Now each and every number is of 3 digit. Now we are following the steps. In first step we sort this array as per unit place. So what is unit place in this number? Okay, what is unit place 2 in this number? What is unit place 1 in this way? So in step 1 I first sort this array by using unit place. So it becomes 90. Okay, because 0 is there. Then this 91, then this 251, and so on. Okay, in step 2 we consider array which is generated in step 1, and now in step 2 we sort this array as per tens place. So what is tens place? This is the tens place. Okay, 9 9 5 2 0 5 8 and 5. So again I sort in step 2 by using tens place. So it becomes 002 comes first, then 022 comes first, then 251, then 054, then 057, then 084, and so on. And in third step I consider array generated in step 2, and in third step I sort this array by using hundreds place. So it becomes now 002, 022, then 054, 057, 084, 090, 091, and 251. So finally this is the sorted array. Vaibhav Gaikwad, is it okay for you? Hello Vaibhav. Vaibhav, got it. Okay. I hope now uh, mm, I stop with this technique radix sort, and I start with my next technique bucket sort. Is it okay for everyone? Radix sort. Have you got the technique? What is the algorithm? We what is the algorithm? We first accept input array. Okay, and then for each digit I, for each digit I, we do the following, where I varies from MSB to LSB. In each step just we are sorting input array digit by digit. In first step we sort according to least significant digit, that is according to unit place. In step 2 we sort according to uh, uh, digit at tens place. In step 3 we sort according to digit at 100 place. If we are having maximum number of digit 4, we are having 4 step, and in first step we sort according to digit at 1000 place. Okay, I hope it is okay. Now can I start with my next technique, bucket sort? Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you? Hello everyone. Okay, fine. Next technique is nothing but it is bucket sort. Okay, next technique is nothing but it is uh, bucket sort. Uh, and in bucket sort, so first I write the algorithm. Okay, in bucket sort, okay, suppose uh, let A be an array of size n. Okay, mm, next next step is so let A is an array of n elements. Okay, here for each element I in A, we do the following. Okay, what we do, we compute key. Key is nothing but key for each element I. Okay, and then we remove each I from A. Then we insert I at the end of each bucket. At end of each bucket. Okay, and final step, we apply any sorting. We apply any sorting uh, technique at each bucket, and we print at each bucket and print all elements and uh, print all. Again, this is the most simplest sorting technique. So these are the steps. First step is what? First, uh, let A is an array. Let A be an array of size n. Hmm, okay. Then in second step, that is here in step one, we accept array of size n. In second step, for each element, okay, for each element I in A, we do, that is we compute key for each and every element. Okay, then after computing key, we remove each element I from A, and we insert that element at the end of each bucket. Okay, and finally we apply any sorting technique at each bucket and we print all elements. Okay, let me explain the example first, then again I come towards these steps so that you will get familiar with this algorithm. So this is the algorithm, and suppose we have given example, for example we have given um, elements of the array, like suppose 55, 95, 94, 4, 3, 21, and um, 65. Okay, suppose these are the elements. Okay, so how to solve this example? First we have to suppose here I use make use of Microsoft Word here, to how to show buckets. Okay, so what do here, just I insert table. Actually these are nothing but these are the buckets. Okay, this is the zeroth bucket. Okay, next, first bucket, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, these are the 10 buckets. Okay, mm, I just then what is input array? This is the input array. Just I copy here and I just so suppose these are the number. What are the number? Okay. Now, so first I have accepted array. okay, of n elements. uh, Now for 55 I compute key is nothing but what compulsory you have to make use of this bucket. How many buckets are there? There are 10 buckets. Okay, this is zeroth bucket, this is first bucket, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. So we have to make use of, as the name is the bucket sort, so we have to make use of these buckets. 55. Okay, for 55 I compute key as, how to compute key? Key is nothing but 55 divided by size of the bucket. So how to compute key? Here I write formula, key equal to uh, this element divided by size of the bucket. Size of the bucket is 10, so key is 5. So 55 is stored at what bucket? Fifth bucket. So it becomes 50. 55 is stored at this place. So suppose these are the buckets: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Uh, Consider them as buckets. Okay. At the time of exam, you have to draw uh, shape of the buckets. Like, okay, 55. 55 mod 10. It becomes 5. So 55 is placed at fifth bucket. Okay. 95. 95 divided by 10, it becomes 9. So 95 is placed at what bucket? It is placed at ninth bucket. Okay. uh, Next is nothing but 94. Again, 94 divided by 10, it becomes 9. So again it is placed at this ninth bucket. Okay. 4 divided by 10, it becomes 0. So 4 is placed at this bucket. 3, again 3 divided by 0, it becomes uh, it becomes 0. So it is placed at 0 bucket. 21. Now 21 is nothing but uh, 21 divided by 10, it becomes 2. So it is placed at second bucket. 65. Again 65 is nothing but 65 divided by 10, it becomes 6. It is placed at uh, sixth bucket. And suppose there is one more. Suppose uh, 20. 20 divided by 2, it becomes 2. So 20 is placed at second bucket once again. So up till now we have followed these steps. We have accepted uh, a array of size n. Okay, then for each element we have computed key, and we have removed each element, and we have inserted that each element at the end of each bucket. Up till now I have followed these steps. Now last step is what? Apply any sorting technique at each bucket and print all elements. That is, when we apply any sorting technique at each bucket, so it becomes what? 3, 4. Okay, what is last step? Apply any sorting technique at each bucket and print all elements. So I am following step number 5, where I am applying any sorting technique on each bucket. So when I apply sorting technique at each bucket, so it becomes um, uh, 4 3 becomes 3 4. Then second bucket is empty. What about this? um, it becomes 20 21. Okay. Next plot is sorry. Next plot is third bucket is empty. Fourth bucket is empty. It becomes 55. There is only one element, so it becomes 55. Or 20 becomes it becomes 20 uh, 21. Okay. Now next 65. There is only one element, so no need to sort. It becomes 65. Then seventh bucket is empty, eighth bucket is empty. In 95, 99 already in the sorted order, so it becomes 95, comma 99. So I have applied any sorting technique at each bucket. Remaining task is what? I have to print all the element. So when I print each element, it becomes 3, then 4, 20, 21, 55, 65, 95, 99, which is our sorted array. Hello, are you getting me or no? Hello, hello. Is it okay for everyone? Okay, just at the time of exam you have to draw your bucket like this. Okay, you have to draw your bucket like this. Okay, uh, so this is nothing but this is the bucket sort. Okay, so what is the algorithm? We first accept array A of size n. Okay, then for each element I in array we do the following. We are computing key for each element I. When we compute key, we remove element I from A, and then we insert that element at the end of each bucket. Finally, we apply any sorting technique at each bucket and we print all the elements. So this is the example. So we are having how many number of buckets? We are having 10 number of buckets. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how to compute key? Key is nothing but element divided by 10. That is 55. First number is 55. How to compute key for 55? 55 divided by 10, it becomes 5. So key is 5, therefore 55 is added at which bucket? Fifth bucket. 95. 95 divided by 10, it becomes 9. So it is added at the end of ninth bucket. 94. Again 94 divided by 10. Sorry, I have written 99. Okay, fine, it is okay. Suppose there is 99. 99 divided by 10, it becomes 9. Again it comes to ninth bucket. Okay, 4 divided by 10, it becomes 0, so it comes to zeroth bucket. It comes to zeroth bucket, it comes to second bucket, it comes to sixth bucket, it comes to second bucket. Okay, we apply uh, any sorting technique at each bucket. So at this bucket, what are the numbers? 4 3. So when we apply any sorting technique, 4 3 becomes 3 4. Then uh, it, this bucket is empty. Again we apply sorting technique at second bucket. 21 20 becomes 20 21, and so on. And finally we print all these sorted elements, so it becomes 3 4 20 21, and so on. I take one more example. I take one more example. So the example is, suppose the example is like this. uh, 2 50 95 98 74 47 58 85 65 56. Okay, so uh, so this is the array. So again we have to follow the step. First I write down number of buckets. This is 0. Okay, just I list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the buckets. Okay, now 2, where it comes, what is the key for 2? What is the key for 2? What is the key for 2? 0. Okay, fine. So mm, it comes to second bucket. 50, it comes to uh, fifth bucket. 95, 98, again 74, sorry, 74, 47, 58, 85, 65, 56. Suppose there is one more X, 30, sorry, 45, Okay, where it comes 45 divided by 10, it becomes 4. So it comes to 45. Suppose in this way, uh, for each element, I have computed key. Okay, then I have removed each number mm, from the array and I have inserted it at the end of bucket. What is remaining step? Just fifth last step is remaining. We apply any sorting technique at each bucket uh, and we print all the elements. So first I apply sorting technique at this. So what it becomes 2 as it is. Then this bucket is empty, this bucket is empty, this bucket is empty. Now fourth bucket, at the end of fourth bucket we are having two elements 47 45. As I apply sorting technique to this bucket, it becomes 45 47. So it becomes 45 comma 47. So what about this 50 58 65? How 65 comes here? 65 it comes to this, no, 65. Okay, it becomes 65. So what about this? When we uh, apply any sorting technique to this fifth bucket, it becomes 50, 56, 58. Therefore it becomes 50, mm, 56, 58. Okay, then this 65 it becomes as it is 65, it becomes as it is 74, it becomes as it is 74, it becomes as it is 85, mm, 85 it becomes as it is uh, now 95, 98 it becomes as it is already in the sorted order, and finally we print this entire list. So what is our sorted array? It becomes 2, 45, 47, 50, 56, 58, 65, 74, 85, 95, 98. I think it is okay. Is it okay for all? Have you got the example? Have you got the example? Hello everyone. So how to compute key? How to compute key? No, Viraj Rao, the size of bucket is randomly chosen. You can select it randomly or it 10, it is okay. Okay, at the time of exam, if you select size of the bucket as 5, but it is okay. But mm if you keep it as 9, if you keep it as 10, then still it is okay. But if you reduce the size, then what happens? There are possibility of collisions. Okay, if you suppose take size of the bucket as 5, then what happens? Your then the possibility of collision is more. Therefore, it is better to keep size it as 10. Have you got the technique? Hello, everyone. Have you got the technique? What is how to compute key? What is the formula for key? What is the formula for key? How to compute key? Element divided by 10. Okay. And have you got the algorithm? What is the algorithm for bucket sort? The algorithm for bucket sort is very simple. No, Neha, the most important question, if array contains negative numbers. Okay, this technique is not applicable for negative numbers. Even our previous technique, which one? Um, Radix sort. In this technique also, we can't insert negative numbers. So do not take any kind of detention at the time of the exam. Whenever you have asked to sort following number using bucket sort or radix sort, at that time examiner will never ask for negative number, because this technique is not applicable for negative number, both radix sort and bucket sort. Okay, is it okay for everyone? Is it okay for everyone? Neha, have you got the answer of your question? ओके. सो डोंट टेक टेन्शन. एक्झाम मध्ये जर तुम्हाला अरे देतात आणि जर तो क्वेश्चन असेल की सॉर्ट फॉलोइंग नंबर युझिंग बकेट सॉर्ट और रेडिक सॉर्ट, तर काही टेन्शन घेऊ नका, त्यामध्ये एक पण निगेटिव्ह नंबर नसतो. ओके, तर समजलं काय अल्गोरिदम आहे? व्हॉट इज द अल्गोरिदम फॉर बकेट सॉर्ट? ओके, अल्गोरिदम इज वी, आता याचा मी कोड जो आहे ना, याचा कोड, तो कोड तुम्हाला देत नाही. अल्गोरिदम तुम्ही आता मी जसा लिहिला होता ना तसा, आता मी तुम्हाला लेक्चर झाल्यानंतर इमेजेस पाठवतो, त्यानुसार तुम्ही अल्गोरिदम लिहा. काय अल्गोरिदम आहे बकेट सॉर्टचा? वी फर्स्ट ऍक्सेप्ट an array of n elements. Okay, for each element I in A, we do the following: we compute key for each element I, then we remove I from A, and we insert I at the end of each bucket. Finally, we apply any sorting at each bucket and we print all elements. Okay, I think here I have written the algorithm. Let in the at the time of exam, suppose you have asked to write algorithm, you have to do not write your algorithm just one by one. Okay, you just as you write answer. Okay, you have to write your answer as a sequence of steps. Okay, so what is your first step? um, First we accept array A of size n. For each element I in A, we compute key, uh, where key, k is, we compute k, that is key for each element I. We remove element I from A, and we insert that element I at the end of each bucket. Okay, finally we apply any sorting technique at each bucket and we print all elements. Okay, this is about bucket sort. And what about radix sort? In a radix sort, we first accept an array of size n. Okay, then for each element I, we do the following: where I varies from MSB, sorry, where I varies from LSB to MSB. mm, we apply any sorting technique, and we sort entire array. Once again, I repeat, in radix sort, we uh, accept an array A of size n. Okay, then for each element, for each element, uh, we do the following: for each digit I, we do the following, where I varies from MSB to LSB. In step 1 we are sorting array as per unit place. In step 2 we are sorting array as per tens place. In step 3 we are sorting array as per 100 place, and so on. So today's homework is, okay, I give array like 21, um, then 45. Okay, uh, input array is 21, 45, 55, 11, uh, then 1, 91, 9, 667, 27. Okay, you, and then next is nothing but 55 and 25. Okay, so, and last number is nothing but it is okay. Yes, it is okay. uh 1 second. Yeah, you have to sort these numbers. What are the numbers? 21, then 45, 55, 11, 1, 91, 67, 27, 55, 25, and one more element I write, suppose 412, 412. Okay, so these are the number you have to sort. This no, 1 second. Yeah, it is okay. So consider this array, and you have to sort this array using both radix sort as well as bucket sort. What are the number? 21, uh, 45, 55, 11, 1, 91, 67, 27, 55, 25. Is it okay for all? You have to sort both. You have to sort this number by using both techniques, radix sort as well as bucket sort. हे लेक्चर झालं की लगेचच मी तुम्हाला काय करतो, कसं सॉल्व करायचं ओके, तुम्हाला इमेजेस व्हॉट्सअपला सेंड करतो, त्याच्यानुसार तुम्ही काय करा, यू हॅव टू जस्ट आय सेंड यू 1 second. You have to sort this number and immediately you have to WhatsApp me. Okay. I just आफ्टर द लेक्चर झालं की मी तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युली कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं ते तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सअपला सेंड करतो. त्यानंतर इमिडिएटली तुम्ही काय करा, यू हॅव टू just sort this number. Okay. So within a 5 minute, I would like to revise the concept of the quick sort. Okay, we also have seen the concept of the quick sort. What are the number? Suppose the numbers are 1 second. Okay. Uh, Suppose numbers are 5, 2, 1, 7, 0, 9, 11. Okay, and suppose I have to sort these numbers using quick sort. What is the technique? What is the technique? Quick sort. I would like to revise the concept of the quick sort. So first we consider it as key. I write it as key. I set to uh, I, index number 1. This is nothing but I, and J is set to last index. Okay. So first I compare this A of C. की कुठे सेट केली, या एलिमेंटला, ए ऑफ झिरो एलिमेंटला. आय कुठं सेट केलाय, तर इंडेक्स नंबर आय टू ला नाही सेट केला, तर टू च्या इंडेक्सला, दॅट इज आय इज सेट टू 1. जे कुठं सेट केलाय, जे इज सेट टू लास्ट इंडेक्स. वी कम्पेअर ए ऑफ आय, इज इट लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू की, यस, आय प्लस प्लस आय आला इथं. ओके, इज इट लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू की, यस, आय प्लस प्लस आय आला इथं. आता ए ऑफ आय 7, इज इट लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू की, नो, आय स्टॉप झाला इथं. आय स्टॉप झाला, जे स्टार्ट करा. ए ऑफ जे, इज इट ग्रेटर, यस, जे मायनस मायनस, जे कम्स टू हिअर. अगेन, इज इट ग्रेटर, यस, जे मायनस मायनस. ओके, जे आला इथं. ओके, अगेन ए ऑफ जे, इज इट ग्रेटर, नो, आय स्टॉप झाला, जे स्टॉप झाला. आपण काय चेक केलं की बाबा आय लेस झाला इच टाइम, आय शुड बी लेस दॅन जे. आय स्टॉप झाला, जे स्टॉप झाला. आय लेस दॅन आहे का जे पेक्षा, यस, we have to swap a of I, a of j, it becomes 7, 0, and it becomes 7. And again we have to repeat the procedure. Quickly procedure, a of I, is it less than or equal to key, yes, I plus plus I comes to here. Now when I comes here, is it less than uh, or equal to key, no, I stop झाला. I stop झाला, जे पासून स्टार्ट केलं, a of j, is it greater than key, yes, j minus minus. Now j comes to this. When j comes to this, at that time what happens, the value of I is greater than value of j. We swap key and a of j, so it becomes 5, it becomes 0. So this is our pivot element. If we see, when we get pivot element, our list is divided into two sublists, left wali sublist, right wali sublist. All the element, this is the right sublist. Okay, all the element in the left sublist are smaller than that of pivot, and all the element at the right hand side are greater that of pivot. Okay, and again we apply the same technique for left sublist as well as right sublist. Okay, so here we get the sorted array. Finally we get our entire sorted array. So this is the quick sort technique. Is it okay for everyone? Hello, is it okay for everyone? Have you got the technique quick sort? Almost I have got, I think, 54 WhatsApp messages. Example. Okay, जे मी एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं ना तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी, तर मला 54 जणांनी त्याचे सोल्युशन्स पाठवलेले आहेत. इट इज ओके. So I think you are well familiar with how many sorting techniques we have gone through: selection sort, bubble sort, quick sort, radix sort, and bucket sort. Okay, still three sorting techniques are remaining: merge sort, shell sort, and insertion sort. In this week, I am going to cover all the sorting technique, and at the end of this week, I declare end of unit number 2. Is it okay for everyone? Is it okay for everyone? Hello? Concept समजल्या का? Okay. हा, one thing is remaining. One thing is remaining. What about time complexity of quicksort? Quicksort ची time complexity काय असेल? तर बघा, quicksort मध्ये काय होतंय? फर्स्ट वी आर हॅव्हिंग अरे ऑफ एन एलिमेंट्स. आपण टू डिवाइड पिवट एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट केल्यानंतर काय होतंय? आपला अरे डिवाइड होतोय. कसा डिवाइड होतोय? टू सब पार्ट मध्ये. सी लास्ट 2 minutes ओनली, देन आय विल conclude this lecture. What is the time complexity of quicksort? Quicksort belongs to divide and conquer. Why it belongs to divide and conquer? कारण तिथं काय होतंय, वी गेट पिवट एलिमेंट. आपल्याला पिवट एलिमेंट मिळतोय. पिवट मिळाल्यानंतर काय होतंय, आपली लिस्ट डिवाइड होती. कशी डिवाइड होती? लेफ्ट सबलिस्ट, राईट सबलिस्ट. लेफ्ट सबलिस्ट कुठून कुठपर्यंत? आपल्याला कुठल्या इंडेक्सला पिवट एलिमेंट भेटतोय? जे इंडेक्सला भेटतोय ना. कारण ज्या वेळेस आय ग्रेटर होतोय जे पेक्षा, त्यावेळेस आपण काय करतोय? आपण स्वॅपिंग करतोय. कोणाकोणाचं स्वॅप करतोय? कीचं आणि ए ऑफ जेचं. म्हणजेच ए ऑफ जे इंडेक्सला आपली की येते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय? पिवट म्हणतोय. म्हणजे जे इंडेक्सला काय आहे? पिवट एलिमेंट. मग आपली लिस्ट कशी डिवाइड होती? ए इंडेक्स पासून जे -1 इंडेक्स पर्यंतची लेफ्ट सबलिस्ट, आणि राईट सबलिस्ट कुठून कुठपर्यंतची? जे+1 पासून n-1 पर्यंतची दुसरी राईट सबलिस्ट. लेफ्ट सबलिस्ट साठी परत आपण टेक्निक अप्लाय करतोय. राईट सबलिस्ट साठी परत आपण टेक्निक अप्लाय करतोय. लेफ्ट सबलिस्ट मध्ये परत आपल्याला पिवट भेटतोय. परत आपली लिस्ट डिवाइड होते. म्हणजेच फर्स्ट वी आर हॅव्हिंग प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ साइज n, तो आपण डिवाइड केला n/2 मध्ये. परत n/2 च्या 2 सबलिस्ट आहेत, त्या पुढे डिवाइड होणार 4 सबलिस्ट, n/4 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 n/4. In this way, so on. If we compute the total height of the tree, it becomes log n. So what is the time complexity of quicksort? Log n. What is the time complexity of quicksort? Log n. See, जिथं जिथं डिव्हाइड अँड कॉन्कर आहे, डोळे झाकून आपण टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी किती म्हणायची? लॉग एन. बायनरी सर्चची टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी किती? लॉग एन. फिबोनाची सर्चची टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी किती? लॉग एन. क्विक शॉटची टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी किती? लॉग एन. आर यू गेटिंग मी और नो? लॉग एन कशी काय येते ते मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. कारण डिव्हाइड अँड कॉन्कर आपल्याला एन साईजचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, तो आपण करतोय 2 सब प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये, n/2 n/2. परत तो n/2 चा n/2 हा सब प्रॉब्लेम, बरोबर आहे ना. लेफ्ट सब लिस्ट, परत तिथं आपण ते टेक्निक अप्लाय करतोय. परत आपल्याला पिवट एलिमेंट भेटतोय, अँड सो ऑन. So what is the time complexity of quicksort? What is the time complexity of quicksort? What is the time complexity of quicksort? Are you able to hear me? Hmm? What is the time complexity of quicksort? Am I audible to all?